Tag, you're it. It's a Black Moms Do Cloth Diaper tag. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. It is a fun, exciting time. Here we are in Black History Month, and it's just electric for me. I was searching through YouTube, as I often do, and I ran across a video that I thought was really cool. It was created by Every Day with Ray, and she did a cloth diaper challenge specifically for Black cloth diapering mamas. It's all about representation and showing other moms that we do exist. Black moms do cloth diaper their babies. So there is no excuse on YouTube anymore in 2021 to look through these videos about cloth diapering and not see yourself represented. These ladies, Every Day with Ray, has started to change that, and I'm so excited because I remember looking on YouTube when I was starting my cloth diapering journey and not finding anyone who really looked like me. Very few, if I found one or two. So I'm excited today to add to the tag. I'm gonna take on her questions. Now, y'all, this tag is over a year old. Every Day with Ray did this over a year ago, but I just found it, so I'm tagging myself in, and I hope some of you moms will tag yourselves in too. So let's get it. The first question that she asked is, why do you cloth diaper? Well, I initially started cloth diapering because I wanted to give my baby the best. I felt like cloth diapering offered a luxury diapering experience that I wanted to provide my baby. So I jumped in. I also, you guys know this, I watched the documentary, The Business of Being Born, and that just started spurring my thought about doing things unconventionally, leaving the earth a better place, all those types of things. And so cloth diapering went along and aligned with my endeavor to do things more naturally, more eco-friendly, just in general. So that's why I started cloth diapering my baby, after my mom, kind of nudged me in that direction. The second question is, what do you like most about cloth diapering? The thing that I like most and that I sing the praises of cloth diapering for is how much money you can save. Like I just said, I started this because of kind of the luxury of cloth element of it, but we really save so much money over the long run. And that is what I think is the biggest benefit of cloth diapering, and why I think other moms, especially moms of color, need to know about it. This is one way to economically lift our people, is by using cloth diapering, because you can save on average $2,000 to $3,000 diapering one baby. And when you multiply that across multiple babies, boom, like, girl, you didn't save some money. And it's expensive having a baby, so when you can cut corners and shave some coins here and there, you got to do it. So that is my favorite aspect of cloth diapering, saving my coins. The third question is, what do you like least about cloth diapering? I have to say that my least favorite, it's making me chuckle, cloth diapering aspect is rinsing out poopy diapers. I don't know nobody who likes doing that. Like, it's not fun. It has to get done. I did it because I took my family along this cloth diapering journey, but I ain't enjoy doing it. I wouldn't do it if you paid me to. Well, I take that back. I would do it if you paid me to. All right, y'all. The next question is, what is your favorite type or style of cloth diaper? Some people even answered this question answering what is their favorite brand, but I'm gonna stick to type and style. My favorite style of cloth diaper is fitteds and covers. Fitteds and covers offer an excellent fit. They have fewer leaks when you do them right, when you put them on the baby right, when you change the baby at a regular interval. They have a very few leaks. You can use covers over and over throughout the day. They're economical. So it's a great style of cloth diaper. And I thought that, well, I'll get to that. But yes, fitteds and covers are my favorite style of cloth diaper. Hinting at that, my least favorite cloth diaper style is probably pocket diapers. I did not enjoy stuffing pocket diapers on a regular basis. They were very easy to wash. I found them to be very sanitary, but I did not enjoy having to prep something before I put it on my baby. But it wasn't hard, it wasn't difficult, but I just didn't like it. It wasn't as easy as moving along with a all-in-one style diaper, for example. The next question on here I really like. The question is, if you had to start your stash all over, what would you do differently? And this is easy in my opinion, because if I had known about all the cloth diapering brands that are black owned that are on the market right now, I would have done a completely black owned stash of diapers. No brainer, would have done it. And I wish I would have known or even searched for black owned covers, black owned all-in-ones, black owned fitted diapers. My brain didn't even think to search for that in 2016, and a lot of the diapers that I used for my daughter in 2018 were from my son's stash. So I went with the same brand the second time around, and I had no problems with that brand, but I definitely would have curated my stash with black owned products for cloth diapering, because there's so many cool things out there, from the wipes to the diapers to things to help you dispose of the poo, potty training elements. Black people have thought of it all, and we are in the market so strong, and it's so beautiful to see. And the last and seventh question of the cloth diaper tag is, what tips do you have for a mom considering cloth? The tip that sticks out for me is to just try it. A lot of times you might think starting this cloth diapering lifestyle will be difficult or more challenging than using disposables, or that it will be more time sucking than it is, but those really are misconceptions. Cloth diapering does not take any more time or energy than doing one extra load of laundry every few days. And when baby is small, it's likely that you have some hands on deck to help you out. So really let them do the heavy lifting for you. Yet I think it's important for moms to just get started and know that this is not really as hard. So just do it. Google it, look into it, find other moms who are in the cloth diapering community and ask them about their experiences. I, for one, y'all know y'all can drop me a line in the comments anytime and ask any questions you have. But there's so many moms, especially moms of color, black moms, that already do cloth diapering and have already dipped a toe in there. And even if you think you have to do it full time, you don't. That's also a misconception. Just do it. Transition the way you want to transition. It's almost like natural hair. Just do it at your own pace, the way you want to do it. If you want to do it part-time and, supplement with disposable diapers, that's okay. However you do it, just try. It's worth the try, and it's worth the money that you save in the long run. So my big tip, just do it, girlfriend. All right, y'all, those are the 7 questions that they have. What other questions do you want to see me answer in a tag? Drop them below. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, Everyday Ray, for putting this together. And I hope other moms will jump in and share their experiences as well. In the meantime, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you hit subscribe on our channel. And head over to clothcuties.com, where there is more information to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. See y'all later. Bye.